Hello class 8. Hope all of you are at home and doing well. I am your maths teacher Shulagna ma'am and today our topic is percentage.
Did you hear that Pradhan and Sons are giving 70% sale? What? Really? 70%? Mummy, then let's go shopping over there. Children, you have seen that this lady is addressing this lady by saying a new term, something percent. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is this new term, that is percentage. If I break the word percentage, then I will have per and cent, where per means divide and cent is coming from the word century. So, century refers to 100. So, we are now going to focus on per 100. Remember children, you have a column in your mark sheet which has a sign like this, percentage, highest percentage. This is the sign for percentage. Whatever marks you are getting is generalized out of 100. So, percentage is also known as out of 100. So, we can say if a student scores 50 out of 100, then we can write it in this form, 50 by 100, and this is known as 50%. Similarly, 90 out of 100 will give you 90%. So now as you can see, percentage can be expressed in the form of a fraction. In order to remove the percent sign, I have divided the number of whose percent I am taking out by 100. So 90 by 100 is nothing but a fraction which can be converted into a decimal, which is equals to 0.90. So a percentage can be converted into a fraction which can also be converted into a decimal. So percentage, although the term is new, but can be again connected with fractions and decimals, which you have already done in your previous classes. See children, here you are asked to convert a given number into percentage. That is, convert 2 by 5 into percentage. Whenever you are asked to convert a number into percentage, always multiply the given number by 100. So I am multiplying 2 by 5 into 100. So I am going to get, that is my percentage. So I am putting the percent sign. Second, find the value of number 1, 3% of 90 kg. So the question is 3% of 90 kg. In order to remove the percent sign, I will divide by 100. So what did we learn? To create percent sign, I will multiply by 100. To remove percent sign, I will divide by 100. Of means multiply 90 kg. Don't forget to give the sign. 0, 0 cancels. You are getting 27 by 10 kg, which is equals to 2.7 kg. Part 2. 3 whole 3 by 4% of 90 kg. If I change this to normal fraction, then I will get 15 by 4% of 90 kg. This I am getting 15 by 4. As I told you, to remove the percent sign, you have to divide by 100. Directly you can write multiply 100 over here in the denominator, or you can separately write into 1 by 100. This off will change to into, and you were having 90 kg. Now if I cancel, I will get 27 by 8 kg. You can change it into mixed fraction again. Let us move on to exercise 9.1, question number 1. The question reads, 18% of flowers in a heap of flowers are red in color. If the number of red flowers is 72, how many flowers are there in the heap? Now, you do not know that total how many flowers are there. However, the question starts with 18% of flowers in a heap. That is 18% of the total flowers in the heap. So, let us take the number of flowers in the heap as x. Now, 18% of x is equal to the number of red flowers. Because that is mentioned in the question. 18% of flowers in a heap are red in color. So 18% of flowers in a heap are red in color. So according to problem, this is already equal to this, and this is equal to this. So what do? 18% of x is equals to 72. Now if we solve, we will have of is being changed to into. So you will have the total number of flowers in the heap as 400. If we move to the question 2 part 1, we are having 5 whole 2 by 5% of 48 kg. This again, as the example that I showed to you, mixed fraction can be changed to improper fraction. So I am changing the fraction. This will turn to 27 by 5% of 48 kg. Now to remove the percentage sign, I will have to multiply by 1 by 100. And of will change into multiply. So if I reduce this, then I am going to get 27 into 12 will give me 324, and 5 into 25 is going to give me 125 kg. So if I reduce this to lowest term, I am going to get 324 by 125 kg. Now my final answer can either be in mixed fraction form or can be in decimal form. So if I change it to decimal form, I am going to get approximately 2.59 kg. Okay, so in the third question, we are having in a group of people 25% like rice and 40% like puri, and the rest of the people, that is 28 people, like chapati. Now the question is, how many people are there in the group? We do not know the total how many people are there in the group. What are the informations that are provided to us are the percentage of people who like rice, the percentage of people who like puri, and the number of people who are liking chapati, right? So what we will do is, first write down percentage of people who like rice. Next, percentage of people who like puri. Now, percentage of people who like chapati will be equal to 100 is taken as the total percentage. As I said, percent means out of 100, the total value is out of 100. So 100 will be taken as total. Just in case of fractions you have unit as the total. So in case of percentage we will have 100 as the total. 100 minus 25 plus 40%. So if we calculate, we are going to have this as 35%, the percentage of people who like chapati. Now, let the total number of people equals to x. Therefore, number of people who like chapati equals to 35% of the total people, 35% of x. Now this, the number of people who like chapati is already given in the question, which is equals to 28. So according to our problem, 35% of x is equals to 28. So if I take out the value of x, I am going to have first change percentage sign by dividing it by 100. Off will change into multiply, and so we will have the value of x as 28 into 100 by 35. 7 5s are, 7 4s are, 5 1s are, 5 20s are. So total people equals to 80. That is our answer.
Question number 4 reads, which is greater, 19% of 241600 or 22% of 193900, and by how much? I hope this one you will be able to solve as homework. Let's move on to question number 5. On the last Saturday of July, only 598 students out of 650 students attended school. Your question is, find the percentage of students who were absent. Now, we are having total number of students as equals to 650. Now, out of them, only 598 students attended school. Therefore, number of students present equals to 598. Now, if I find out the percentage of students present, I will have number of students present divided by total number of students, that into 100. So now we have 0, 0 will cancel. 5 13s are, 5 2s are, 13 ones are 13, 46. This is coming out as 46. So the value is 92%. Now we have the percentage of student present as 92. So the remaining percentage of students should be absent. Now in case of percentage, we take the total percent as 100. Therefore, we can write percentage of students absent equals to 100 minus 92%, which is equals to 8%. So our answer is percentage of students absent equals to 8%. So children, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. Make sure to complete all the sums that are shown in this video in your classwork copy. Along with the video, your worksheets are also given. You have to complete the homework, the answers of which will be given in your next video. See you in our next class. Thank you.